Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Pink Magic Cleaner is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions on the market, designed to tackle a wide array of messes with its unique, powerful formula that leaves surfaces sparkling clean and fresh. This innovative cleaner is formulated to cut through grease, grime, soap scum, and even tough stains, making it an indispensable tool for households looking to achieve a pristine environment without excessive scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Its pleasant scent and streak-free finish further enhance the cleaning experience, proving that powerful cleaning doesn't have to come with an unpleasant odor or residue. Whether you're dealing with kitchen spills, bathroom buildup, or everyday dirt, Pink Magic Cleaner offers a reliable and efficient way to maintain a spotless home. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This kit effectively cleans fabric, leather, and even delicate materials like suede and nubuck. Get a deep clean without the worry. Keep your white sneakers looking box fresh with this powerful cleaner. It tackles tough stains and scuffs with ease. The included brush and formula work together to gently lift dirt and grime. It's tough on stains but gentle on your shoes. Everything you need is in this one kit. Restore the original beauty of all your footwear with this essential cleaning solution. What we like. This cleaner is designed for all types of shoe materials, including fabric, leather, suede, and nubuck. It comes with a brush for effective cleaning. If you have a variety of footwear and need a versatile solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy to use, lifts dirt quickly, and makes my shoes look almost brand new again. I love that it doesn't require saturating the shoe in water and then scrubbing it and praying the suede dries nicely without water ring stains. This stuff is easy to use. Effective cleaning. The Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner 750 ml. Tired of stubborn soap scum and limescale in your bathroom? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed to tackle tough messes with ease. This powerful foam cleaner effortlessly lifts away grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to a pristine bathroom. Specifically formulated to combat soap scum and limescale buildup. It penetrates deep to dissolve even the most persistent stains, restoring the shine to your tiles and bath. Enjoy a brilliant, streak-free finish on all your bathroom surfaces. It rinses away cleanly, leaving nothing behind but a dazzling shine. Ideal for use on baths, showers, sinks, and tiles. This versatile cleaner makes maintaining a spotless bathroom simpler than ever before. Discover the miracle cleaning power for yourself. Achieve a truly immaculate bathroom with minimal effort. What we like. This product is specifically formulated for bathrooms, tackling tough soap scum and limescale with its powerful foaming action. It leaves surfaces streak-free. If you're looking for a dedicated bathroom cleaner that delivers a sparkling finish with minimal effort, consider this. What people say. The tub and shower wall is sparkling clean and it smells nice too. It doesn't have a strong odor like other cleaners do. Remove stains off anything. Absolutely incredible, it worked through the scale and grime that had built up over like 5 years. Nearly effortless. It says to use a damp cloth. I used a brush instead and it didn't take much effort at all to clean the entire shower. Extremely easy to use and clean up was a breeze, barely any time at all. Number 3. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Toilet Cleaner. Tired of tough toilet stains? Discover the revolutionary cleaning power that makes your toilet sparkle like new. Our unique self-activating foam tackles grime and leaves your toilet bowl brilliantly clean with minimal effort. Watch as the vibrant pink foam expands and lifts away dirt and odors, ensuring a fresh and hygienic finish. Each pack provides 2 treatments, offering great value and long-lasting cleanliness for your bathroom. Achieve a truly miraculous clean with this powerful yet easy-to-use toilet cleaner. Your bathroom will thank you. What we like. Its self-activating foam targets toilet bowl grime and odors for a deep clean. If you want a hassle-free way to keep your toilet fresh and hygienic, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The foam expands upward and clings to the bowl, really breaking down stains and buildup without needing a ton of scrubbing. It has a pleasant, light fragrance, not overpowering, but enough to leave the bathroom smelling fresh afterward. The color is vibrant and the foaming action makes cleaning feel just a little more fun. Number 2. APULITO Household Cleaner Gel. Introducing APULITO Household Cleaner Gel, your ultimate solution for a sparkling clean home. This powerful gel tackles tough grime on various surfaces with ease. Effortlessly restore the shine to your bathroom. It's perfect for cleaning shower tiles and grout, leaving them looking brand new. Keep your kitchen pristine with this versatile cleaner. It effectively cleans sinks and countertops, removing everyday messes and buildup. Experience a deeper clean than ever before. This gel penetrates tough stains and dirt, ensuring a thorough and hygienic result. Simply apply the gel and watch it work its magic. You'll achieve brilliant, streak-free results with minimal effort. This 10 fluid ounces bottle is packed with cleaning power for all your household needs. It's the convenient choice for maintaining a clean living space. What we like. This gel cleaner is effective on a variety of household surfaces like bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, grout, sinks, and countertops. It's designed to cut through tough grime. If you need a reliable all-around cleaner for multiple areas in your home, this is a great option. What people say. This cleaner is amazing, it cleans everything so well. I love how this cleaner makes my surfaces shine. The scent of this cleaner is really pleasant and not overpowering. Number 1. Magic Foam Paw Cleaner. Introducing our innovative paw cleaner, designed for both dogs and cats. Its gentle silicone bristles ensure a comfortable cleaning experience without harming delicate paws. This foaming cleanser goes beyond surface dirt, reaching deep to remove fine particles and eliminate unpleasant odors. Your pet's paws will feel truly refreshed and clean. Crafted with natural plant ingredients, our formula is healthy and non-irritating. It's pH balanced to protect your pet's paws, ensuring their comfort and well-being. No matter the breed, this paw washer is designed to effectively clean all paw sizes. Say goodbye to the hassle of finding the right fit for your furry friend. As a family-owned business, we prioritize your pet's health. We use only the best ingredients, ensuring a product you can trust for your beloved companion. We are confident you'll love our paw cleaner. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a hassle-free replacement or return. What we like. This is a no-rinse foaming cleanser specifically for pet paws, featuring a gentle silicone brush. It effectively removes mud and dirt without causing discomfort. If you have pets that frequently get their paws dirty and want a quick, easy, and gentle cleaning solution, this is ideal. What people say. The foaming application is incredibly easy to use. I simply dispense a small amount of the foam onto my dog's paws and massage it in. The texture is pleasant and doesn't feel harsh on his skin. It works effectively to remove dirt, mud, and allergens without the mess of water and towels. Plus, my dog seems comfortable during the process, which is a significant bonus. The Magic Foam formula is a game changer for keeping my pet's paws clean without the need for rinsing, making it super convenient for quick cleanups after outdoor adventures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.